Stream's coming in.
With the untamed science of entertainment.
We work from a clubhouse in a tree.
Exploring our world and its mysteries. Lifelong learning, discovery. Untamed science. Go adventuring.
Here comes the stream. What do you have for us?
Hi, I'm Kyle, and I was wondering, do all living things move?
Oh, tricky. All right, everyone to stations. Haley, what do you have?
Well, living things are made of at least one cell. They can grow, change, and reproduce. They go through a life cycle.
All living things need energy to survive. Animals get energy from the food they eat, while plants get their energy from the food they make with the help of sunlight. But the ability to move is not a characteristic of life because there are plenty of living things that stay in one spot during their entire life cycle. Some animals, like corals, spend their lives in one place, but most animals need to move to find food. Plants, however, are best known for their ability to survive in one spot because they're able to make their own food.
Hey, check this.
What if you were stuck in one spot your whole life? Could you get what you need? Well, plants do it all the time. Everything they need to grow, change, and even reproduce is right here. For some flowering plants to make a seed, pollen has to get from the stamen of one plant to the pistil of another plant. Sometimes wind is enough to pollinate. But check this out. There's a sweet nectar in there that some animals, like bees, come to collect. They get in there to drink up, and little do they know, they've got pollen stuck to their hairy legs. Then you guessed it, they collect the nectar from another flower, and bam! The pollen rubs off, goes down the pistil tube, and fertilizes an egg cell that eventually forms a seed that can grow and become a new plant. I wonder if there are more ways animal movement helps plants survive. Back to you at the clubhouse.
All right, thanks. You ready to get that experiment started?
We saw how animals aided in plant pollination, but did you know that you can be the pollinator too? Take a few household items like these and do your best to transfer pollen from stamen to pistil. Which of these items work best for you? And write down the characteristics that make it work well. Then think about if you know any animal pollinators who share those same characteristics. Wow. Plants are such amazing living things. I wonder if there's another way we can think about this.
How do I know that thing's alive? What is it made of? Does it change? And can it reproduce?
That means make more like it.
Well, I know that I'm alive. I'm made of at least one cell. In fact, I got trillions of them.
I'm growing up faster than my folks would like.
Someday maybe I could have a family of my own.
How do I know that you're alive? You're made of cells, you grow and change. And someday you could have a family of your own.
Okay. So, all living things are made of at least one cell. They grow, change, reproduce, they go through a life cycle, and all living things need energy.
Some living things use movement to get what they need in their environment.
And some can survive even though they stay in one spot their whole life, like coral and plants.
So stay on the move and never stop exploring your world. Hey, someone's on the move, actually.